Ice Cream Day. Hopefully you knew, ate some ice cream,
Yeah.
but some of you probably celebrated, with that tasty treat.
McDonald's was trying to do something special for the day, giving away the free vanilla cone to anyone with the mobile app. Instead, they got a lot of backlash from customers. The fast food chain kept receiving tweets like this one saying the app was down. McDonald's did try to respond to each customer who said that, even telling people to ask for a free cookie as they worked to fix the problem. The company also had a contest yesterday afternoon where one person would win free soft serve for life.
I was like, a free cookie? I'll take the chicken McNuggets.
Wow.